Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue sur Irwin's French Class. J'espère que vous allez bien. With this video, we are starting a new series on French pronunciation. We are starting with one of the biggest difficulties for learners of French, the silent letters. You know these letters that you write but you don't pronounce. There are three main types of silent letters in French. Le E muet or silent E, le H et les consonnes finales, the final consonants. Le E muet or silent E is the one you find at the end of countless French words. This E is not pronounced. Let's pronounce these words together. Just repeat them after me. Voiture. Let's stop right here. You see, you don't say voiture or voiture, but voiture. You don't pronounce the E at the end, but it makes you pronounce the consonant before it. Voiture. Livre. Salade. Téléphone. Verre. Espagnol. Blanche. Tasse. However, the final E needs to be pronounced in small grammatical words like, let's repeat them together, je, me, ne, te, le, que. La lettre H is never pronounced in French in all positions. Just ignore it, that's it. Let's repeat these words together. Habiter. Hôtel, théâtre, mathématiques, ébahi, rhume. And note that combined with C, it is pronounced as che. For example, let's repeat this together. Cheminée, vache, chat, chercher, and of course, chocolat. And combined with a P, it makes the sound F, like for example, pharmacie, phare, philosophie, téléphone. Most of the final consonants are not pronounced in French. If you remember that, you will avoid most of the common mispronunciations. The most common silent consonants are S and X, especially those of the plural forms, and also T and D, like in, let's repeat together, petit, jus, loup, français, croix, haricot, court, Bordeaux, grand, allemand, bourg. However, there are some final consonants that are usually pronounced, like L, C, F, R. To remember them, you can use careful or Lucifer, well, depending on your mood. For example, let's repeat this together. Matériel, fil, sac, arc, avec, actif, chef, œuf, pour, cher, car, sœur, directeur. But be careful, well, if I can say. The R final is sometimes not pronounced, especially in infinitive verbs like parler, écouter. And one famous exception for C is the white color, blanc. You see here, the C is not pronounced, blanc. Voilà les amis, n'oubliez pas d'ajouter un pouce bleu et de vous abonner to support the channel. It's really important. Au revoir, à plus. Ciao.